Dangerous man for Voth, who's got a 1-0 lead, and a shot headed for right center field. It is down. Eaton backed up the play, and that holds Markakis to a single. A 2-0 pitch. Swing and a shot, base hit right field. Here comes Ozzie around third. Eaton loads up. His throw to the plate, way off target, and Nick Markakis has his first RBI since his return. A bullet to right field ties the game. Line drive left field. That's down for a hit. Crack of the bat. Here comes Ozzie around third. Soto's throw is going to be cut off. Throw to third is going to be late. Everybody's safe. Another hit for Markakis. After the second, he really put it together. Boy, Nick is putting it together. A 4-hit day. 4 singles.